I'm Al Sutherland with your Mesonet Weather Report. We are excited about providing a new level of service in the Tulsa area with the installation of an Oklahoma Mesonet site on the northeast campus of the Tulsa Community College. This site is located between existing sites in Skiatook, Claremore, Inola, and Bixby. Our technical staff set a new installation record by having data cleared for public use in less than 24 hours after installing the sensors. Last week was a reminder of how brutal 2011 was. This week, what a pleasant relief. We can see what a difference there was between these years on a graph of plant water demand for El Reno. At the end of June in 2013, demand for water per day was over 4/10 of an inch. This year, the peak demand at the end of June was below 3/10 of an inch per day. The high water demand for June 2011 came in at over 5 inches above average in western Oklahoma, over 2 inches in central areas, and in eastern Oklahoma close to 2 inches above average. Water demand this June at many sites in central and eastern Oklahoma was at or below average, while drier areas in western Oklahoma were close to 1.5 inches above average. Gary, how does this June go down in the record books?
Good morning, everybody. I hope you've enjoyed the fine weather we've had this 4th of July week. I thought I would take this time to go back over June and see how the weather ended up in your area. So let's start with this map of departure from normal temperatures for Oklahoma Mesonet for June. You can see the month ended our streak of 4 straight months of cooler than normal weather. From February through May, June was actually 1.4 degrees above normal, and that's the 34th warmest June since 1895. Here you can easily see the droughty areas across western Oklahoma took the brunt of the hot weather. But remember, the heat index was high across the rest of the state through this period. Next, let's go to rainfall. You can see from this rainfall total map from the Mesonet for June, rainfall varied greatly during the month, from less than 2 inches in the southwest and the Panhandle to more than 8 inches in east central Oklahoma. You notice out there in the Panhandle, however, Slapout had nearly 6 inches, which was very badly needed. Now we take a look at how that compares percent of normal map from the Mesonet. While some areas were well above normal, the state as a whole was still below normal by about 1/2 of an inch. And you can see the southwest and northeastern areas were particularly dry. So we had some decent rains in June. We really need those to spread west once again during July. Now, July is not the best month to get rainfall in Oklahoma, but stranger things have happened, as I've said before. That's it for this time. We'll see you next time on the Mesonet Weather Report.